Video 24. Why is food cooked? This is Mrs. G Revises Food Prep. Food is cooked for 5 reasons. To make it safe to eat, to improve the shelf life, to develop flavours, to improve texture, and to give variety. To make it safe. Many food sources can contain harmful bacteria that can make us ill. Luckily, bacteria is killed if food is cooked long enough at a high temperature. Some foods contain harmful toxins that are destroyed when the food is cooked, such as red kidney beans that have to be soaked, boiled and simmered before they're safe to eat. To improve shelf life, when foods are cooked at high temperatures, bacteria and mould are destroyed. This is one of the ways that food can be preserved during the manufacturing process. An example of that is milk being pasteurised, heated, as this helps it to stay fresher longer. Number 3, to develop flavours. Chemical reactions take place during cooking that change the flavour of the food, such as caramelisation occurring when onions are cooked, making them taste sweeter. Roasting meats and vegetables creates more intense flavours. The food becomes browner and crispier with more fat added to it and as water evaporates from inside the food. Cooking also allows the flavours of different foods to combine, such as soup. 4, to improve the texture. Cooking usually makes it easier for us to chew, swallow and digest foods. Some foods become softer when they're cooked. Vegetables like carrots become softer, and foods like rice and pasta swell as their starch molecules soften. Meats become more tender, softer, more succulent and easier to chew, as solid fats in the food melts when proteins soften. Other foods become firm when they're cooked, such as proteins in egg whites coagulate. This makes the food opaque and more solid. However, meats can become tough and egg whites rubbery if they're cooked too much. A change in texture can also make food more pleasant to eat, such as roast potatoes having a soft centre and a crisp outside. Lastly, to give variety in the diet. Food can be cooked in different ways to create variety. An example of this would be eggs, so you could have boiled, fried, omelette, frittata, quiche, put them into a cake. There's many different things you could do, and they all give you variety.